What's up YouTube? It's your girl Aubrey on the Ray back with another video, and welcome back for another Makeup Monday. Yes, you read the title correctly. I'm going to be doing a celebrity inspired makeup tutorial today, and that celebrity is my twin, Ayesha Curry. I'm actually very excited and nervous to do this look. A lot of people have told me that I look like her, from strangers, people I went to school with, family members. I don't see it. I mean, I take it as a compliment. She's very beautiful, but I just don't see it. But maybe as I put us side by side with the same makeup and all that, I'll better see it. But as you guys can see, I already started my makeup again. I'm sorry. I did my foundation, contoured, highlighted, and my brows. The only reason why I did this off camera again is for the time's sake of this video, but also because of her look. I'll insert it here. Her look, she's like, it's really highlighted in like the key point areas, and her contour goes up a little bit higher. Also, her brows are a little bit darker and thinner than I normally do it, so I just thought that I would take the time off camera to actually get it similar to how she's looking. If you guys see me look up a lot, it's because I have my computer up with the makeup look that I'm recreating today. So let's get right into it. First things first, we are going to start with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I already talked to you about this in the last Makeup Monday. This is the bomb, okay? And so for this look, her eyeshadow is really natural. So for this look, I'm going to be using my Too Faced chocolate chip and my Too Faced white chocolate chip. So the first color I'm going to grab with my favorite brush, my Moda brush. Let me grab it. My Moda brush. I'm going to take, we're going to go from the chocolate chip. We're going to take this color. I don't know what this color is called. My mirror is filthy. Do you see that? I'm going to take this color right here, and we're just going to put that in the crease. So now we're going to go in. I'm going to take from the white chocolate chip this color right here. It has, I don't know if you see that. Once again with the dirty mirror, this one right here. And we're going to put that on the lid. To go back in with the chocolate chip palette, and we're going to go in with, I'm going to mix these two colors right here, the same Moda brush we were in with before. I'm just going to put this on my outer corner. Go back in with this color that we used for the inner lid. Now I feel like I should make my corners just a little bit darker, because like as you see in the picture, her eyes are not that dark at all. I'm gonna take this color right here, and I'm gonna put that on my outer lids, and my outer corner, just to darken it up just a little bit. And then now I'm going to just go back in with the same brush right here. And her inner corners right here are really, really bright. So I'm gonna go in with this color. I don't know if you can see it. This one right here. And I'm just gonna put that in this area, my tear duct. I'm just gonna blend it out some more. Blend as you feel. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so I blend a lot. So for the liner, we're gonna go in with my Tarte clay pat with my Tarte brush. And for this look, she has kind of a thick line, and she doesn't have a wing. Okay, and then her bottom lids, it's not really on her bottom waterline. It's like literally on her bottom lid. Okay. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go and smudge it out a little bit though, so it's not as harsh. I'm just gonna take a Q-tip. Okay. Now for lashes. I try not to go so dramatic because in the picture her lashes are not that bad. I mean, that dramatic. So I just went with the Ardell Wispy. Wow, I can't even talk. Ardell Wispies 122. Yeah, I'm just gonna apply those. Probably gonna do that off camera because that takes some time. So I'll be right back. All right, and we're back with the lashes on. Now we're gonna go in with my favorite Beauty Supply mascara. Now, my favorite part, the highlighter. I think I'm just gonna use, I think I'm gonna go in with Snow. Oh, from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, sorry. I'm gonna use Snow and I think Snow and Sun Ray. We're gonna set our face with our Urban Decay All Nighter. going to go in with my Tarte. This is Tarte's lip paint in the color Friday. So this is the color. It's not even exactly her color, but it's very close. Alright, so now I'm going to change my shirt and fix my hair to look more like hers, and I will be right back to show you guys the finished project. The finished product. Talk. I can't talk today. Be right back. And this is the final look. Let me know how I did though, y'all. Like, for real. Like, I tried to get my Ayesha curry on. You know, I had the straight hair, got the little slick right here, got the hoop, tried to get the little shoulder out. You know, can't forget about the shoulder. But let me know, for real. And if y'all really do think that I look like her, go ahead and tag her. Make her see this video. Let the whole world see this video. Hashtag Ayesha Curry lookalike. Yeah or yeah? Alright, so like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you guys want any looks that you guys want me to recreate for you guys on Makeup Blowing Day, go ahead and drop them down below, and I'll be more than gladly to do them for you all. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and until next time, mwah, bye.